Now up at the Triple Bog at Lady Canning's plantation. No shortage of water here either. It's part of the Wyming Brook nature-based solutions demonstrator. We put a lot of woody dams in here to hold up and slope water and spread it out right across this little valley, so you can see a lot more water spread across than there would have been originally, just flowing down one small channel. So again, this sort of intervention just holds and slows up flow here in the uplands rather than rushing down into urban areas.